Welcome to this math spiral video. We are going to talk about using the set model with different types of counters. With the set model of fractions, we can make any set represent fractions if we say this part of the set represents the numerator and this part of the set represents the denominator. Let's think about how we can use different types of counters to show these fractions. Today we'll think about 4/7 and then we'll think about 7/4. Let's get started. Let's first focus on this fraction, 4/7. That means I want to show a set with 7, and then 4 of those are going to represent the numerator. I'm going to use these motors first, and I'm going to think about using these motors with different colors, where green is going to represent my numerator. So I'll go ahead and get out 4 green motors. And then I'll use yellow to represent my denominator. So I'll go ahead and get those motors out there. So I have a set of motors in which 4 of the 7 motors are green. So there I showed the fraction 4/7. Now let's think about what that might look like for this fraction right here, 7/4. I need to make sets of 4. Here I'll use these square buttons to represent sets of 4. So there's one set of 4. And then here's a second set of 4. But I need to show 7/4 or 7 of the buttons as square. So I can show 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the buttons as square. But then maybe I use this flower button to represent the denominator or hold place in this set of 4. So what did I show with these button counters? Well, I showed 1 3/4, which is equivalent to 7/4. 7/4 of this set of buttons are represented by the square buttons. Thank you for tuning into this video. Please visit mathspiral.com for other videos about the set model of fractions, as well as videos about the length and area model of fractions.